The reality of the 9 to 5. 6:30, the alarm goes off, sharp and cold. Not just a sound, but a story retold. A signal that screams what you already know. Today's just yesterday's rerun show. Groundhog Day, stuck on repeat. Same routine, same worn out beat. You don't wake driven, inspired or free. You wake up chained to necessity. You're already tense, feel it in your chest. Anxiety sitting where peace should rest. A quiet tension, a creeping fear, like you're already late, though you're still right here. Before the day's even had its start, you feel behind, you feel like you're torn apart. You rush through the house, no time to sit, snapping at the kids, then hating it. Short replies, no patience to give. This isn't how you wanted to live. Your partner talks, you nod on cue, but you're not there, not really you. No real bond, no moment to stay, just passing like strangers along the way. Coffee hits, strong and fast, not for the taste, just to outlast. Not for joy, not to unwind, just for fuel for a worn out, tired mind. Caffeine pumping through your veins, masking pressure, hiding strains. Artificial spark to start your day in a life that slowly fades away. You step outside, the chaos begins. Rush hour traffic, horns and spins. People stressed, aggression high, danger in every passing drive. Cutting lanes, pushing speed, all for a job. All for a need. Don't be late. Don't lose your pay. So you risk it all to just obey. Think on that as you grip the wheel, risking your life for a paycheck deal, running to somewhere that drains your soul while slowly losing control. You arrive, just sit and stare, one deep breath of heavy air. Time to switch, prepare your face, step into your daily place. Not for work, that's not the game, but for the role you set to play again. 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, playing a version of you that's weak. Not weak in strength, but truth concealed, a mask you wear, yourself revealed. You step inside with a crafted grin, becoming someone who fits within. An alter ego, shaped to survive, just to get through the 9 to 5. You laugh at jokes that miss the mark, agree with the ideas that feel stark. Watch brown nosing climb the chain, and sometimes join to ease the strain. Because being real feels like a risk, while fitting in feels safe and brisk. Why do you do it? You already know. Survival's the game, identity goes. Job titles thrown like they define, manager, senior, some higher line. But strip it back, remove the shine. It's still your time on someone else's line. Golden handcuffs, polished bright, a shiny cage that feels alright. Micromanaged. Every move watch, like you own judgment, can't be trusted or caught. Emails stacking on emails sent, meetings that led to no real intent. Pointless hurdles dressed as growth, but deep down you know they mean the most. Nothing, just with motion without a win. A cycle you're trapped and stuck within. You feel it building, that quiet weight. A voice inside you starts to state, this isn't right. This isn't you. But fear steps in and silence truth. Lunchtime comes, but not your call. You eat when told or not at all. Half an hour, don't be late. Even hunger must cooperate. Holidays too, you must request. Breaks approved if you're deemed best. Even the toilet needs permission. Control disguised as supervision. You're an adult, yet still confined to rules that shrink your time and mind. Afternoon hits, your energy drops. Caffeine fades, reality knocks. Eyes grow heavy, focus slips. Another day that slowly drips. Performance review. The meeting starts. A quiet attack in corporate parts. You sit, you listen, you nod along, while someone tells you what you've done wrong. Polite in tone but sharp in end, a subtle weight to break, not mend. Time to review, they softly say, the beginning of the end, in a formal way. And HR stands with a careful tone. We're here to help, you're not alone. But you see through what they imply. They serve the system, not your why. Human removals, recycled roles, replacing faces, not the holes. Step-up roles come dressed as gain, more responsibility, same old strain. Barely more pay, but more to prove, and still you feel you had to move. Decline it, then you'll hear them say, where does your loyalty really lay? You look around at smiling faces, but trust is thin in these tight spaces. Shift swaps, favours, quiet games, everyone playing to protect their name. Then it hits you, calm and clear, a truth you've maybe feared to hear. You're building dreams that aren't your own, laying bricks for someone else's throne. Hour by hour, year by year, while your own vision disappears. Yours sits paused, pushed aside, buried deep where doubt resides. And here's the truth, sharp and cold. You're replaceable, bought and sold. No matter your effort, no matter your stay, someone else could take your place one day. The day ends, you head back out. Rush hour chaos, noise and shout. Same roads, same stress, same fight. Same repeating endless night. You get home drained, no spark, no fire. Just empty energy, no real desire. The kids want time, your partner too, but there's not much left inside of you. All you can give is what remains after the job has taken its claims. And that's not much, the truth is tough. The ones you love, they feel that loss. You sit in silence, thoughts collide, and something shifts deep inside. This is your life, looped again. A cycle of years disguised as when. Days to weeks, then years just pass. Decades slip like grains of glass. And the plan they sold you so well. Work your life, then rest in hell. Wait for freedom when you're worn. When your energy fades and time is torn. When your best years are long gone by. And you're left just asking why. Where did it go, that spark, that drive? Did you ever really live your life? The voice returns steady and clear. This isn't right, you know it here. Working your life to serve someone else, trading your time instead of your wealth. That's not okay, it never was. It's just accepted because it does. Living for the weekends, counting days, trapped in predictable, draining ways. This isn't life, it's just a delay. Waiting for something that slips away. Then something shifts, not loud, not fast, just a quiet break from the past. You think there has to be more than this, more than routine, more than this risk. Not instant riches, not some dream, just ownership, something you can lead. More control, a life that's yours, not locked behind corporate doors. Because the truth stands firm and cold. No one's coming to break your mould. No manager hands you liberty. No company builds your destiny. That part's yours, it always was. No applause, just quiet because it's uncomfortable, filled with doubt, but so is staying stuck throughout. So you decide, no noise, no show, just a quiet shift, you start to grow. To stop the loop, to drop the act, to take your time and claim it back, to stop asking, to start to build, to chase the life you once had willed. Because if you don't, then nothing shifts. No change arrives, no hidden gifts. Same alarm, same drive, same repeating life. On repeat until it is all over. I hope you enjoyed this. I put this together and I took this from all the points and topics and everything that I went through in my previous roles in the 9 to 5, and I've put this into a poem, as you've just heard, and I wanted it to paint a clear picture of what most people live day in, day out, and it's something that I see all the time now that I've taken that step away from the 9 to 5 and I can see it for the bigger picture. I see the rush hour, I see the stress, I see the anxiety, I see the damage it's doing to people, and I wanted to paint that, and I hope you can relate to some of that. One of the big parts in this video is not having time for your children, your partner, snapping at them, being hasty because of the workplace. I hope you liked the setup, the fire in the background there, the crackle and pop. If you did like this video, please do let me know. I actually quite enjoyed doing this style video, very different. And if you did, you want more of this, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts just in general about this setup and kind of reading out this poem and how I've put it together, because I found it quite impactful, and I think, and I hope it really does help a lot of people to light bulb moment. Until next time, my good people, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.